One drink that could support healthy arteries. A simple tip for seniors as we get older. Many of us become more aware of how important our circulation is. Healthy arteries mean better energy, less discomfort, and a greater ability to enjoy the activities we love, whether it's gardening, walking with friends, or chasing after grandchildren. While there's no magic cure-all, certain daily habits can go a long way in supporting heart and artery health. And one of the easiest habits to add might just be found in your kitchen: a simple, refreshing drink made from natural ingredients that many nutrition experts say can support healthy blood flow. So, what is this drink? It's not a pricey supplement or a complicated recipe. In fact, it's a blend you can make in minutes: warm lemon water with a touch of cinnamon and honey. Why this drink fits into a heart-friendly lifestyle. 1. Warm lemon water. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps your body in many ways. For seniors, vitamin C is especially valued for supporting overall wellness and helping the body manage everyday oxidative stress. Warm water also helps with hydration, a key factor for good circulation. 2. A pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for baking pies. Studies suggest that this fragrant spice may help maintain healthy blood sugar levels and has natural compounds that can be beneficial for artery health. A little goes a long way, and its warm flavor is comforting. 3. A touch of honey. Honey adds natural sweetness without refined sugar. It also contains small amounts of antioxidants. Just a teaspoon can round out the flavor and make this drink a pleasant part of your morning routine. How to make it. Step 1. Heat 1 cup of water until warm, not boiling. Step 2. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Step 3. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Step 4. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and mix well. Step 5. Sip slowly and enjoy, ideally first thing in the morning. Extra tips for seniors: this drink works best as part of a whole lifestyle that supports heart and artery wellness. Stay active with gentle daily exercise like walking or stretching. Eat a colorful variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit processed foods high in salt, sugar, or unhealthy fats. Keep up with regular checkups to monitor blood pressure, cholesterol, and overall heart health. A gentle morning ritual. The beauty of this drink isn't just in the nutrients, it's also in the ritual. Taking a few minutes in the morning to prepare something warm and nourishing sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. It's a simple self-care act that reminds you to slow down, breathe, and do something good for your body. So tomorrow morning, why not give it a try? You may find it not only helps you feel refreshed, but also becomes a favorite part of your daily routine. Remember, always check with your doctor before making big changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications.